in the morning light. With her friends she laughs and plays, elephant fun all through the day. Ellie loves the jungle beat, claps her feet to make it sweet. Monkeys swing and parrots sing, while Ellie spins in a jungle ring. She splashes mud to stay so cool, then slides down by the river pool. With a trumpet toot toot loud, she waves her trunk and draws a crowd. A trumpet sound and big feet thumping on the ground, it's Ellie